Hi, I'm Umber.
And I'm Andrea.
Welcome to At Moving Image Studio, the virtual space for media making from the Museum of the Moving Image. We are museum educators, and today we'll be showing you how to make your own puppet inspired by the Muppets with materials right at home. Say them out loud. Great. Who is Jim Henson?
Jim Henson was a pioneer puppeteer best known for creating TV characters, including the Muppets, and for his work on the popular children's show Sesame Street. In the 1950s, many television shows were copied from programs made for the stage. Puppet shows were especially popular to watch at this time. Jim and Jane Henson created characters for their show Sam and Friends from objects you can often find in your own home. In fact, the first Kermit puppet was made from an old coat once worn by Jim Henson's mom.
These facts are outlined in the Jim Henson Exhibition, a permanent feature at the Museum of the Moving Image. It features nearly 300 objects on view, spanning Jim Henson's remarkable career.
Today, we're going to create puppets of our own with things we can find around the house. Now, Jim Henson Muppets have their own special style and design, especially in the puppets' eyes and how their mouths move. When you're making your own puppet, try thinking of names for your new creation. To start, pick up one main item you can find around the house to be the body of the puppet. You can use a sponge, plastic containers, toilet paper roll, even coffee filters or brown paper bags. Basically, anything that you can decorate. But check with your parents first to see if you can use any of this.
You will also need scissors, yarn, pencils and markers, blank paper to draw on, or magazines or scrap fabric to cut out objects and shapes. Do not forget glue or tape so you can attach the materials together. Gather anyone around you to join in this activity. Here is a sneak peek.
Click on the next video to find out how to put your puppet together and then teleport your very own creation through the green screen.
And share your work with us. Click, subscribe, leave a comment, and check back for new videos every day.